Good morning students. Welcome to the first video class of Network Security Lab for 6th semester IT students. So today we should discuss about certain points like what do you mean by network? What do you mean by security? What is network security? How does network security work? And what are the different types of network securities are there? So we should discuss all these points belonging to network security, how does the network security work and its types. Okay. So let's start with the first topic, that is what is network? A network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources like your printer, CDs, exchange files, or allow electronic communication. The computers on a network may be linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellites, or infrared light beams. A computer network is a group of computers that use a set of common communication protocol over digital interconnections for the purpose of sharing resources located on or provided by the network nodes. So here you got the idea about what is network. Means more than one computers are getting connected, along with you are able to share the common communication, you can share the resources, you can share the files, okay, you can share the printers, external devices, etc. For these purposes you are using the network. Okay, now go for the topic of what is security. So before going to discuss about what is security, first we should got the idea about what is the full form of security. Sensible, efficient in work, clever, understanding, regular, intelligent, talent, young. So this is the full form of security. Okay, that is sensible, efficient in work, clever, understanding, regular, intelligent, talent, young. So in terms of IT, security means what? It is the defense of digital information and IT assets against internal and external malicious and accidental threats. Okay. What is network security? Network security is a broad term that covers a multitude of technologies, devices and processes. In its simplest term, it is a set of rules and configuration designed to protect the integrity, confidentiality and accessibility of computer networks and data using both software and hardware technologies. So every organization or industry or infrastructures requires a degree of network security solution in place to protect it from the ever-growing landscape of cyber threats in the world today. So for this purpose you should protect the network, that is called network security. Now we will be discuss about how does the network security work. Okay, what is the procedure of network security work? So there are many layers to consider when addressing network security across an organization. Attacks can happen at any layer in the network security layer model. So your network security hardware, software and policies must be designed to address each area. So now network security typically consists of three different controls: physical, technical and administrative. Okay, so be remember this network security consists of three different types of controls. That controls are physical network security, technical network security, administrative network security. Okay, so let's discuss Physical security controls are designed to prevent unauthorized personnel from gaining physical access to network components such as routers, cabling cupboards, and so on. Controlled access such as locks, biometric authentication, and other devices is essential in any organization. So here these are totally related to your physical security, where you should control access to your locks, biometric authentication, and some other devices. Okay, then go for the technical network security. Technical network security controls protect data that is stored on the network or which is in transit across, into, or out of the network. Protection is twofold. It needs to protect data and systems from unauthorized personnel, and it also needs to protect against malicious activities from the employees. Okay, so this is related to your technical security. Okay, now go for the administrative network security, means on the administrative level whatever the securities are there. So administrative security controls consist of security policies and processes that control user behavior, including how users are authenticated, their level of access, and also how IT staff members implement changes to the infrastructure. So from your administrative network security, the IT staff should be maintain the security policies and process the control of user behavior. Okay, now next is your types of network security. So here we will be getting different types of network security. So the first one is your network access control. To ensure that this NAC or network access control, potential attackers cannot infiltrate your network, comprehensive access control policies need to be in place for both users and devices. NAC can be set at the most granular level, like for example, you could grant administrators full access to the network but deny access to specific confidential folder or prevent their personal devices from joining the network. Okay, so this is the use of NAC, where the administrator full access to the network is there, but we can deny the access to the specific secret folders to prevent their personal devices or filings. Okay, now go for the next option, that is called antivirus and anti-malware software. Antivirus and anti-malware software protect an organization from a range of malicious software including virus, ransomware, worms, and trojans also. The base software not only scan files upon entry to the network but continuously scans and tracks files. And third one is your firewall protection. What is this firewall protection? Firewall, as their name suggests, act as a barrier between the untrusted external network and your trusted internal network. Administrators typically configure a set of defined rules that blocks or permits traffic onto the network. Next is your virtual private network, which can be shortly pronounced as VPN also. Okay, so VPN create a connection to the network from another endpoint or site. For example, user working from home would typically connect to the organization network over a VPN. Okay, and this is nothing but the VPN line connection is there. That means the user can working from your home to the organization only on that VPN line, not on your Wi-Fi line. Okay, So data between the 2 points is encrypted and the user would need to authenticate to allow the communication between their device and the network. Okay. Then fifth one is your, we should rename the router and network. Okay, this is also one type of network security where we have to rename the routers and networks also. And next is your, we should use the strong passwords, keep everything updated, turn on encryption and turn off the Wi-Fi protected setup settings. Okay, so here you got the idea about different types of network security. Okay, so on today class you got about what is the meaning of network, what is the meaning of security, what is the network security is there, and how does the network security is work on your network, and what are the different types of network securities are there. Okay, so in the next class we will be discuss more things.